To make a double-sided coin, gonna need 2 coins and a block of wood that's fairly straight. First thing you need to do is drill out a recess for the quarter using a 1-inch Forstner bit. You don't have to be the same depth necessarily, just you want them close. Next, using some super glue, we're going to glue the quarters with the head facing down, and just hold that until the glue cures, about 30 seconds. So now we're going to take this over to the belt sander and just sand this down. If they get hot, just use a bucket of water to cool them down. Dry it off and go back to the sander. After a couple minutes, this is what they look like. We're getting close. That copper layer is where you want to get to. Once you get to that, you know you're close. So just keep on sanding. We're at full copper, and we're just going to go a little bit more, and it should be good to go. This is what they look like after sanding. That was the part that had the super glue. That one just needs some acetone to clean that up. So here we go. They're all cleaned up. Now we just take some super glue and we line them up. And you can clamp them together and let the super glue cure, and your coin will be done. So here it is, the finished product. Not too bad on the edges. And this is a real quarter, and this is a double-sided one. Now you can prank all your friends by betting them and you picking heads every time.